Here's an example of my new strategy using rejection trades on 1 minute classic candles with 5-second expiration. And as you can see, I have drawn my zones, and you will see when I go to another chart how I draw my zones, what I'm looking for. But this is the only point that I'll be talking. The rest of it is completely unedited start to finish. And I'm actually going to add in a little bit of music for your enjoyment. But this is the strategy that you're going to be seeing in one of the additional parts of the rejection strategy training. As you can see, we started like either at like $5.99 or whatever, and we actually end at $607. So it does get a little bit, I don't know. I had a couple of trades that I lost here, but I did not freak out. I knew that I was going to win, and this is exactly what I want to show you how to do. Now, we're trading rejections with 5 seconds. Yes, that is fast, just like the other one. But I'm also going to show you how to use the 1 minute flag. So your trades can be, 6 seconds, 20 seconds, 47 seconds. It's basically whenever you take the trade up through the beginning of the next candle, okay? But this is only 5 seconds. So you'll see me come up to a zone and I will take my trade at that zone. So if we are in a downtrend, I'm only going to take sells. If we are in an uptrend, I'm only going to take buys, meaning the higher button or the lower button. Higher when we're we have a major and minor uptrend, and then it's really the minor trend that matters. But anyways, we'll talk about that inside the course. But anyways, this is actually very, very simple. You can get money very quickly. It's easy to do. And for me, it just makes sense because I can see these zones and it is clear as day to me that it's going to reject. Now, we don't take a rejection if the candle has hit that zone more than 1 or 2 times, because what it's trying to do is trying to break through that zone. So enjoy the rest of